Guys, this is me trying to debug my website, and I've been on this since yesterday, and I've been on this for over 9 hours. So my site was working correctly, right, on localhost. Everything was good, everything was fine, but then suddenly the page started showing blank, no information, no nothing. So I was like, what's going on? So I tried to debug using the AI model, using this chat option. But then, as you can see, yes, the problem started from here. When I was trying to make changes to the website, maybe add new features. But after it's run this problem, nothing else came up. The page was all blank. See, let me run the npm run dev so you guys will see what I'm talking about. Alright, see, as you can see, the name of the website loads in this title bar, but then it comes up blank. You can see the localhost is active, but then I do not know what exactly the problem is. So this is me trying to figure out why this is happening. And you can see when I was telling the AI model that the entire website is not working, everything is blank, it gave me some options, things to do. At the end of the day, it will say copy API key, do this one, do that one, but the problem is it kept showing blank. So even when it says I have restabilized the heart of the app and all that the site is back online, whenever I go down there, nothing works. So this is me trying to figure out the problem. And I've never used this run and debug, this feature right here on the left side of the IDE. So let me check that. Open a file which can be debugged the run and debug. You don't have an extension for, well, let's find this. Which one should I even use? By default, this can be changed in anti-gravity settings. Which one can we use? Let's search on Google. So let's use standard VS Code. What is that? Okay, this is the marketplace. So let me check again. Should I use this? This has more downloads, right? So I'm thinking we should go with that. Let me install it. Yep, trust and install. So I think that is installed. So let's try this again. Run and debug. Come on. Wow. Select that. Let's close this screen so that we can have a better view of what we are doing. Guys, let me show you what I did. For yesterday, so I'm thinking the problem was that my API keys were overwritten in my .env file, right? Because I asked it to do something, and then from that particular moment forward, the localhost wasn't showing anything. So, let's start debugging right now in the AI chat. Hey, it's me again. Alright, do you have any solutions for me? Let's see what he has to say. So this is the AI's plan to fix this. So it's diagnosing right now. So for this particular project, I'm storing all my database in this website called this platform called Superbase. So it's like a third-party app. You don't have to use any JSON file. So if you create an account there, name your project, link it via your terminal, everything should work just fine. So whenever maybe on your website the project you just built, someone creates an account, the database gets stored directly to Superbase. So you can access your records and maybe make changes and all that. So the AI model it is analyzing each file that we opened here and checking for errors. See, right here it says, I've analyzed the situation and I think I've found the silent killer making your site blank. I don't think this is going to work anyway, but let's see. So the solution, safety timeout, I'm outing so that Superbase text model, blah, blah, blah. Visual feedback. See, why do you keep accessing my env files, bro? I do not think this is going to work, by the way, but let's see. Agents terminated due to high traffic. Retry, please. For now, let's accept these changes. Access management.js. Since the app is built to expect a full page, it's failing to load anything at all. Guys, this particular project that I was working on, right before this particular crash happened, it would have been so perfect. But then everything has gone missing, everything is going wrong. So let's check the browser at, well, new localhost. Alright, let's check this out. Connecting to menu save. I really hope this works. Come on! Do you know what I mean? Well, actually, it worked. Alright, so guys, this is the project I've been building. So everything worked. That's nice. My 9 hours yesterday just wasted, but yeah, I think we just needed to wait overnight. Let me check if everything works now. Let's check this. Let's check. So I'm uploading a PDF and AI is reading the menu. It will extract text from the menu that I just uploaded right now, and we'll be able to import it. But since I already have this full menu right here, I'm not going to import it. I just want to check if these things are working. Alright, so that is working. You can unselect, and you can see here the number of selected items is reducing. Alright, what's next? Access management. Brother, what is this? This is not what I had yesterday. Anyway, let's continue. Analytics. This looks good. I had an audit log, but I guess that's okay. Settings look good. Compliance check. Yeah, this looks good, I think. Allergen report. Does it print the PDF? Yeah, it does. Yep. QR menu. That works. Allergen metrics. Let's export this. Yeah, that works. Locations. Can I edit it? Yeah, that works. Full menu. Yeah. Full menu. There's something that's supposed to be here. Yeah, I should be able to edit this. So let me check, view all. Okay, add item. Yeah, that works. So I'm going to add some instructions that will make these food items to be editable. Alright, so in the full menu, each food item should have an edit icon and a delete icon, so I can edit these items whenever I want. And you know how it was before the problem started, so I want it to go back to that original state. And then there's a problem with where was that? Access management. This is not the page, right? This is not what I want. I want you to return it back to its original state that it was over 9 hours or 10 hours ago, where I can invite a user by their username, name, and they get to select their role, owner, manager, or staff, something like that. So that's what I want. So make it look professional. All right. Let's paste that. This tool I'm using right now is called Whisper Flow. So you can record and dictate what you want, then paste it into any input field. This saves your time and it's really, really helpful. So those original what? And then there is a public access management. This is it. I'm just editing this because I think it should be better put. So make it professional. All right, let's go. Accept. So it is rebuilding everything to how it was. Let's see if it will get it right. Okay. Okay. So this has been fixed. So let's see. Let's go to access management and invite a member. Okay. Let me invite myself. Username. It's not by username, please. You did not get this right. So full menu. Can I edit it? Yeah. This works. Alright. We are getting an error here, so let's screenshot this and send it back to the AI. Okay. Let's use our Whisper Flow. So I tried to scan a food item and this is the error that I got. So the scan did not complete. So, and I got this message from localhost. Well, alright, so as you can see, it is fixing the problem. So, and it's telling the good thing about this anti-gravity AI model is it takes you step by step on what it is doing, how it is fixing it, the root problem, and you can go back whenever you feel like and then check for maybe just for research what you did wrong. Okay, let's check. So the reason why I'm choosing these allergens first before running it with AI is so that when I get to scan it, I want the AI model to, sorry, the AI agent here to override my choice and then return it to its original scan result. So let's scan it. AI scan fail. Please check. Okay. I am still getting the same error, but this time it shows AI scan failed in red on the bottom of the screen. Just a little pop-up. So fix it. So I think this is the only problem that we are having right now. If this is fixed, then we are good to go. So I just wanted to show you guys how the problem I had and how you can use the AI model in anti-gravity to debug your project. So, well, one more time. Let's see. Where's the full menu? Yep. Wow. Let me try to capture this. Alright, I'll send it to the AI model. I am still getting this error. So check through my env files, then let's know what the problem is. So let's get that fixed. Guys, this is taking much longer than I thought it would, but let's see. I really hope this works because this was the last step in my project, and then I'll be able to fully deploy it. There's high traffic right now. This is why this keeps failing. So we are going to keep retrying until it gets it right. Okay, let's give it another try. Let's close all these tabs. All right. Still the same thing, it doesn't work. Well, let me try another food item. Scan, same thing. So hey, I don't know what the problem is, but it still returns that same error, right? So I want you to take your time, actually go through everything that we've done. Check for the error, what is causing the exact error. Also, in the access management page, you did not get what I wanted right. I want to be able to invite this user by their name and email, not username. And then I'll be able to select, using a drop down, the role I want to give them. And they should be limited to their particular role. So let me not get too deep into this. Alright, I'll delete this. I think that is good. So let's see. Should we create a new Gemini account and then use a new API key, because I do not know why these are not working. Alright. So I think both of them are fixed. So let's check it out. Are you kidding me? But well, this is the main problem. Scan. Wow. So guys, I think this is beyond the scope of today's video, and I'll try to fix that, then I'll let you guys know in my next video how I fixed it. So thanks for watching. Keep an eye out on my projects, right? I'll soon deploy it and then make it accessible to the public.